actually love Slava's dad for giving me his gin. They're not. I didn't really see. Just lower carpets and then well, I'm gonna get 2 keys. Have you got a plan? Place must make.
That's all we have, that's literally all the 2 pieces I have.
Watch this, ready? Run away.
Okay, wait for it. Now. Oh shit, sorry, that was a bad draw.
No, you can't get George to participate here. Get out of it.
No, I'm not spending my money. Fuck.
Yeah, I know what you mean, we got some tickets, so, as in, from another person, so yeah. Go to the back! Paul, what's the plan?
How do we put the crabs back in, George, from the sea? Crabs, you just go down to the sea and the crabs swim out. They don't want to be in the net, do they?
And then we also got volleyball, right, Liz? Yeah. This is real playing us on screen. Okay, yeah, so we went to a little shop, we got a volleyball, we got a crab net thing. So we're going to catch crabs and then we're also going to play volleyball because there's a court here. And I was like, oh my god, we should. And it's a really cool ball as well. Because it can do everything. Right?
Alhamdulillah, assalamu alaikum.
Milk. We got cake, we got bacon. Crab net. Lots of bread. Bash, can you slow down? Może команда, może все вместе. Chocolate and curry. Look, I should eat some milk. Does it taste of...
Take a photo.
I am! What's fun?
Everyone, we had like...
Wait, no, guys. Why don't we get off and just stop further?
Stop.
At least it's clear and white.
Oh fuck. That's not
Going back. Please, we just left.
Some cake, please. Cake, please.
No.
Oh wait, can I eat it?
What are you gonna use? What are you gonna use that for? No.
No, it doesn't.
Cast out.
Oh look, he's making his own steam as well. Look at that. Oh my god.
We're about to get so gassed. Oh my god. Go into the gas chamber. What was that?
So we're on a ride. Huh? We think make some cheap balls. I don't really think we'll go home. Holy shit! There are kids behind us. I'm really scared of heights. I think that's it. No, I don't know if it's height. No, but you can't even see them. Like they purposely did that.